Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to find all your pages' activity on the Facebook app using your PC, following the newest update. Whether you manage several pages or just want to keep an eye on your likes and interests, this guide will help you easily access everything in just a few quick steps. First, start by opening the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once the app is open, head straight to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This brings up a drop-down menu with more options. From here, look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it to open a new menu where you'll find several different settings for controlling your account and privacy. Now, locate and click on Activity Log. This section is your personal timeline tracker, where you can view and manage all your activities on Facebook in an organized way. Once inside your activity log, pay attention to the menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you find the section called Pages, Page Likes and Interests. Click on this to move forward. Here, you'll get a complete overview of all your page interactions, the pages you've managed, liked, or shown interest in. It's the perfect tool to monitor which pages you're following or engaging with, and helps you easily clean up your list if needed. With these steps, you can review all your recent page activities, keeping your Facebook experience both tidy and up to date. Whether you follow dozens of pages or just a handful, this feature is a great way to stay organized and in control of what fills your feed. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might need the same information. Thanks for watching.